Cow Burps, they burp methane, and they're the single largest source of human-produced methane in the world. Everyone thinks it comes out the back end. It's actually out the front end.
That's behind even natural gas, correct?
Exactly, exactly. So even higher than the oil and gas industry. And so I believe it's one of the most important things we can focus on, and we believe it's truly solvable. And so that's what we're doing here, and that's why we're out here looking at kelp farms, is because that's a big part of the solution.